At exactly 2:14 a.m., the skies over Israel lit up. Dozens of missiles launched from Iran, targeting Israeli air bases, radar stations, and major cities. Air raid sirens scream. Civilians scramble for shelter. Israel's Iron Dome springs to life, intercepting wave after wave. But not everything gets stopped. Reports of impacts near Tel Aviv. Fires rage. The world watches in shock. This isn't a random strike. It's coordinated. It's strategic. And it's personal. Iran has warned for months. Cross a red line, and we respond. That line, allegedly crossed by an Israeli strike in Syria days ago. But Iran doesn't act alone. Hezbollah, the Houthis, militias in Iraq, all armed, all watching, waiting for the signal.
Israel responds fast.
Fighter jets roar into the skies. Counterstrikes hit Iranian-linked positions across the region. This isn't just tit for tat. It's escalation. And while missiles fly, another war begins in silence. Cyber attacks, GPS jamming, digital sabotage. The question now, is this the start of a wider war, or the final warning before all-out chaos? Because if Iran goes nuclear, the battlefield changes forever. This is not just Israel versus Iran. It's a flashpoint for the entire Middle East. And the world may be next. Like, share, and follow for real-time war analysis. This isn't over.